Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a pie chart on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pie chart in the Canva, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, open the page and just click on the elements. In the searched elements, you just can search as chart directly or just type as pie chart, or just type as pie. You can find an option called quick add pie chart. Click on those, which will add the pie chart on the page. Now you have this option to data, so you can just edit the data. For an example, here I'm just going to change this data to be of 20, and it automatically updated on here, so which is real-time updation. You can just click on the data. It will be on the floating toolbar on the top, so you can easily customize anything, like it's 100 and it automatically changes like this. And also you have this option of data. You can just clear data if you just something gone wrong, and you can also adjust the data selection of labels and also the values, and you can have the Google Sheet options. You can upload your own data, and here you can customize the color. For an example, for the full form of 100%, you're just going to change this color to the purple color or violet color or a blue color or dark blue color, whatever the color you just needed. It's simple. You can just easily customize the color of this like this. It's so simple that you can just easily customize the color. And also you have the lot of options to edit on the top of the floating toolbar. You can just change the font and size of the font. You can be increased like this, and a lot of more options. And this is how you just create this pie chart on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.